Hi, Alan Stratton from As Wood Turns. It's that time again. It's time for the Christmas Ornament Challenge of 2019, our 8th. How many fingers is that? Christmas Ornament Challenge. This year, Mike Peace will co-host this year's challenge. Mike, tell us a little bit about yourself.
I started turning about 12 years ago, shortly after I retired. I'm a member of 3 different clubs, AAW chapters in the Atlanta and North Georgia area. Shortly after, not long after I'd been turning, I got into demonstrating, teaching, holding workshops, and now, like Alan, I have my own YouTube wood turning channel.
I appreciate Mike pitching in to serve as co-host for this year's Christmas Ornament Challenge. Over the years, we've opened the challenge more and more to more people to better celebrate Christmas and our crafts.
The challenge is open to all media. It could be anything from wood to paper, ceramic, or for that matter, gourds.
I particularly like multimedia and cross-media ornaments.
Just take a picture and upload it as your submission to this year's contest.
All judging will be based upon the still picture that you submit. If you feel compelled that it takes more pictures to show your work, then dig out your photo editing software and combine those pictures into one, because we'll only judge one picture for your ornament.
Make a picture a good one. Pay attention to the background, maybe keep it as simple as possible. It's all about submitting a picture of your best work, and it's all about fun, celebrating Christmas and having a good time.
Now when you have your ornament completed, take a still picture. But if you really feel compelled for multiple pictures, take the pictures, but combine them into one picture for submission.
So any craft, any level, novice, intermediate, advanced. If you're a novice, show us your best work.
If you're of intermediate skill level, submit your ornament. Show off your work.
If you're an expert, show us your best work.
How will we judge this year's Christmas Ornament Challenge? Well, we will combine all the pictures into a video and put that out to the viewers for them to select their favorites of the bunch.
After the tribe has spoken, Alan will put together a final video showing the winners.
So what do you do now? Make your Christmas ornament.
Your ornament must be this season's work, not last year or the year before. Go ahead and make your best ornament and get it in by November the 30th.
Then tell us who you are by putting it on the form that will be on the web page, and tell us a little bit about yourself. Not that much, but a little bit. It'll be on the web page www.aswoodturns.com/challenges. The rest of the rules are on the web page. Any craft, any media, take a picture, send it in during the month of November.
Thanks, Alan, for inviting me to co-host this year's 2019 challenge. Let's get out there and have some fun and celebrate Christmas. Here's some examples from last year. Merry Christmas,
Let's have some fun.